update here. I haven't uploaded in a couple of days because I was busy with something. And I am currently, later on today, I'm going to be giving the iPhone 4 its own personal startup and shutdown video. But that's not why you're here today. Today I'm going to be taste testing Fanta, the Fanta, 0 sugar, which means you have to taste it and try and figure out what flavor it is. Tilt this down a little bit. Just one more look at the label. Alrighty. Now, let's get into the taste test. Hang on. I definitely taste no sugar at all, but otherwise, it's like cotton candy. Like, imagine some cotton candy and having some regular cream soda afterwards. That's what this tastes like. Then after a while, it tastes like, I think, berry soda. I'm going to drink the rest of this. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and share. There's plenty more where that came from. Take it easy.